let's get up and running and editing, arranging, and mixing with Adobe Audition. In this video, I'm going to be using a few non-verbal recordings to recreate a soundscape of a very common experience for most of us, being late for class. But first, let's take a tour of the bits and pieces that make up Adobe Audition. Like most software nowadays, you have a choice of templates to use. What I'm going to do for this simple editing exercise is use the template called Simple Editing. This simple editing layout gives me a big space to edit, arrange, and mix my audio on the right side of the screen, and all the housekeeping stuff to take care of with these little windows on the left side of the screen. Let's create a multi-track session to begin our tour. There are several ways to create a multi-track session. We can go up here to File, New, Multi-Track Session. We can also use the keyboard shortcut Command N, but the easiest way is to click on this button called Multi-Track. This little dialog box is quite important as it sets up our project. Session name. I'm going to call this session Smart Late for Class, and I will browse to save it here in my SoundLab 1 folder. The sample rate for this session should be the same as your recordings. Most likely, you will have recorded at 44/100 Hz or 44.1 kHz. So let's make the multi-track session have the same sample rate. Once everything is set, I click OK, and voila! Here is our multi-track session window.